So hello everyone, we are here at Electrotech Expo that is being held in Auto Cluster Exhibition Center in Pimpri Chinchwad. Today is the third day of the exhibition and we are at hall number A at the stall of Uniglobus with the director of the company, Mr. B.S. Praveen sir. So let's talk to him and get insights into the company and the participation in the event. Hello sir, could you please tell us about the company?
Uniglobus is a company 100% owned by Polycab. The company is quite young, it's only 3 years old. The company was formed by Polycab to have a competence center in electronics, design as well as manufacture. So we started off with lighting electronics, meaning LED drivers and luminaires and other things. And now we have moved on to BLDC controllers, and now we will also be making EV chargers and then expanding more into power electronic area.
So sir, the subsidiary was formed in which year?
In 2021 March, the company was formed.
So it's not been much time.
No, it's just 3 years old.
So sir, how has been the response?
The response has been good. We initially started developing products only for Polycab, but since last year we started selling our products to other customers as well. So we have been pitching in our LED drivers, and now we have started pitching in our BLDC controllers, and further we will be developing, rather focusing more on those products which are currently not being designed in India, but they are being used in a large quantity in India, like high wattage LED drivers, both constant current as well as constant voltage. And BLDC controllers also, today most of them are imported from China, either as complete controllers or as kits and assembled in China, but hardly any one of them are designed in India, whereas our BLDC controller, we have designed it in-house, and we have much more control on the product. We can make it to suit to Indian conditions and Indian customer needs because we fully understand the product. So that's the differentiation we are having in all our products. So that is how we want to move ahead with other products also, which I mentioned, like high wattage LED drivers and EV chargers, and perhaps in future into solar inverters and other such products.
So sir, as you mentioned, are all the products that your company make, are they all indigenous?
Yes.
So like you said that products, the products from this sector, they are mostly important from China. So why is it so, sir?
The reason is first of all, in terms of design and R&D, at least in electronics sector, India is lagging behind China and most other countries. So whatever is the new technology coming in, whatever new product comes, people find it easier to just get it from China and start selling. And that takes less effort. You have quick returns for your investment. Everything is ready-made. People elsewhere have gone through the pains of developing the product, proving and all that. Here you have to get a ready-made product and just sell it. But there is a downside to it, that if there is a field issue, you don't have full understanding of the product, you cannot address the field issue because the environment and operating conditions in India are different from other countries in many cases. So the field issues here are different. So for every issue, you have to go back to the country which has designed. Most of the cases, China, and the reaction time is more, and you may not get answers to all your questions Then if the product has to be tuned to the Indian conditions or Indian customer needs, you are not able to do that. So basically, because Uniglobus has a good technical strength in electronics, we want to make use and we want to see that most of the products, or rather all of the products that we make, we design them ourselves to suit the Indian conditions and then give it to the market.
Focusing on the Make in India initiative, do you think this is going to change like in few years?
That has already changed things, and a lot of people are now making in India, but still designing in India is something which still needs a push, and that is what we are aiming to do. Not just make in India, but also design in India.
All right, sir. So, is it your first time participating in Electro Expo?
Yes, Electrotech, this is the first time, and we are participating in Pune for the first time. Yes.
So, sir, how has been the footfall so far?
It has been good last couple of days, and we had over 150 people coming to our stall. So it is better than what we expected, because this being a small exhibition, we were not expecting that much. But because it is in the auto cluster and there are a lot of industries around in Pvt Chinchwad, we are having a lot of interested people, and it is also good quality visitors who are coming here.
So, sir, talking about the company, what are your future plans?
As I mentioned already, our future plans are, in general, our vision is to get into those products which are not designed in India and where we have the technical capability to design them in India to the Indian conditions. So we'll bring more and more products of that kind. In general, we are into power electronics. So whatever product is in the arena of power electronics, we will get into that. As of now, it is lighting electronics, high voltage lighting electronics, specialized lighting electronics, BLDC controllers, EV chargers, and we may add more products like this.
All right, sir. So, thank you so much for your insights, and we wish you a very good luck, sir.
Thank you.
And thank you so much.